Hello, I am show you now how to update this Foga website image upload and content sense. I can show you now. Please, you can first go to your website link like bokafoga.com/wp-admin, then enter. Then you can enter, then you can get this dashboard, login panel. Then you can put username, and this is password. Then you can log in. You can open another way. This is, you can, when you log in, username and password is okay, then you can see his dashboard. So this you can right button open and new tab. This is your front page. This is your front page. Now I will show you how to change something here. Now I show you. So you see, this is front page, highlighted product. This is some product here. You can see this is product, this is image. Okay, this product also you can see this here, this option, product option, all product. You can, when click, then you can see and which product already have uploaded. This product here now showing this showing, and this is categories. If you have any new categories, or if you want to change any category name, then you can just, you have a new category, then you can change here, right here and here. You can make the new right or if you want to any category name, you can change, then you can just click and you can write here. This is name, capital first is word capital, and this is also delete, and you can save, update, then automatic here slug also. Okay, now you can see here I will show you easy way to, and if you want to this product image information change, then you can see, click new tab, then open. Easy way to, you can see how to update anything, but every product is details. Okay, you can see this is product page, this is product page. You know, wait just a moment. You can, this, when every product you can see click, then open a page. Okay, just a moment, you can wait. Okay, my internet maybe my internet is today slow, so it's take time, but when your internet is fast, okay, that's okay. This is this product, even when I'm click, then I got this page. This is product details page. Here product name, product price, and this is quantity, and this is leather. But do the SQ means here we put also code. If you want to this caps for, you can put any code, then you can write. This is category, and this is big image, and you can see. If you when anyone is, then you can see look big. But this is description, money details. So now I go. You can see this is product you. When you, this is not public, when you log in this dashboard, then you can get, when every product you click, then get this edit product. You can have to direct edit, so you can click edit, you can click edit, and then I can show you how to, you can change any product, any, okay, you can see. যদি if you want to need to this cap's name change, then you can here write your what you, which name you want, and this you can anytime you can click, then okay, when you can click here, then you can write new thing, then you can change your product name. Here you can copy another your Word document or another website by another email. Here just copy and paste. So if you want any information highlight, then you can bold, you can see bold, you can see bold. So if you want if you want this is now update or change, okay, you can see this bold. So if you want to make this is color, then you can see here color, okay. And this is product description. This is description. This, you know, this when I show you here, this every product is you can edit same way. This is description, means here showing, you see, this is this description here showing. And now when you can any product edit, then you get update, you can update. And if you want to one product, one more category, then you can select here too. When you can change category, then you can see here category. If you want to have to, if you want to make new category one, then write, then add. You can see this you can see this made. Okay, now this is description, this means is. Now I can show you here information. Already we show how to change product email product name. Okay, now I can show you price. You can see this is price. You can just how much price for each cap, you can just put here. You can just put here, and you can update. You can see. Okay, I can just change. You can just update. Okay, now okay, I will show you something, the title. Okay, caps CF. Okay, now you can see this name change, price change. You understood? And this you can see this feature already bold. Okay, we can show. Now I can show you how to this image app. Okay, you can see this is feature image. This is feature image. When you click, you can want to new image, then you can click. And this all media library, this we have already uploaded. But if you want to new uploaded image, then you can click here, then select file, and you can where your product, and this you can just upload like I see, like see, I will delete it. Okay, like I will upload, and you can, if you want to new product upload, then you can here click, then you can set, you can see here. But I cannot update now because I just making a tutorial how to change. And this here only one product. Because this is your, I think this better way. You can here put your image caps front side, and here you can do you have any other item, any color, and you can put here. You can add you can anytime this product is you can see delete, click then delete, you can see delete, delete, you can see delete, and you can anyway to you can arrange in arrange it is it just drag drop. And যদি if you want to more add then you can click, যদি you have already media gallery uploaded then you can select update. যদি you can not uploaded yet you can see that you can like you can see you can one time more many image uploaded, you can see I will one more image, you can see you can just select and already there, and you can see just a moment. You can, I hope you can easy way to update any product name, any description, any okay. You can see যদি if you want this image gallery then you can add to gallery, you can see this image already gallery. Then you can you should be every time you can change anything you can should be you can click here update, otherwise no need every time click. But when you can change anything then you can update is product, then you can when update you can see this update. Okay, I hope you understood. And now we can see this in stock is available and this here. So now we can see this option and this option how to and here showing. You can see this option we know already price regular price. Jodi this is regular price and this is jodi you have any discount then যদি you discount then automatically you can save, then you can go here there, and you can see inventory here. যদি you if you want to like anything or not you can see, and okay, and you can see here যদি you this product is out of stock then you can make or you can write here অথবা you can here when you can this যদি you have any of the SQ code then you can put like book up forget score like 01 echo, this style you can use as your wish. But যদি if you want to how many product you can available this just here write, then where use quantity when 4 caps you solve then you can see automatic showing there not out of quantity, out of copy automatic you can put here then automatic show out of quantity যদি when you already all solved, otherwise then showing. Okay, now we can see this is stock, this here you can see product some text here you can see some product. If you want to hear more like same way to you can add image like same way like same. Okay, I can delete it. You can do if you want to some image gallery to delete then you can click I can delete this, then this is not related to your with this. Okay, you can see delete, you can delete. Now you can see here right this is this product short description also show here. Okay, I hope you understood. And here to this product here to here more product this and this review when anyone this product you give comments then review here I will showing, otherwise not. Okay, now you can refresh when you can any product update then you can reload then you can see update. Okay, I can show you something how clean work. You can see here showing one quantity this here like okay, you can see see here to you can see this short description. I will put here 15 and update. You can see this is original is sale price, but when this if you want to like this price, when sometime you can discount any price, then you can show it like, and here you showing one. Okay, we can this business if you want to change this text, then you can here test. Just I just test. I will delete it, but I just showing you. Okay, you can see this, and I can show you this inventory here, and look out for the sports 01. Okay, but black, 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 like here you can quantity like no quantity, like you can have one quantity. Okay, you can so okay, you can update. You can see. Okay, you can see this product. You can see one in stock. When you can put one, then you can see here only inventory one. When I can put 5, then you can see here one more. Okay, you can see here this. You can open this option. You can discount. Then you can see this is available. You can buy. Okay, you can see here. You can see 5 stock. Good if you want to, but I keep it. But I hope you can test it. This setting you can see this product I can keep it 5 stock. And inventory this please you can follow this option I have. I hope you can help for this. You can please you can change anytime this product and this title and description. This just I test for I show you what is showing now. Okay, I hope you understood. And this is product. Every product same way to you can change. You can change. যদি I have another every time you can product. Every time you can product upload this same way. Each product same way, no difference. So here you can general inventory, and I show you something like if you want to some anytime you can product sell available like available like group like simple. Okay, you can shoot the product data is simple product. So description, and if you want to sample a picture store here, you can media click. And if you want to sample put a picture here, you can upload. Then you can here edit. Here you can upload. Okay. Remember you can image upload not big size, because if you want to big size image, then your website is slow. You can upload one time 32 MB. You can use good quality, but 800 px 800 px wide and high pixel, 800 px and 800 px like. And now I hope you can understood. Jodi when I show you something about, if you want some same way, this is same way, and you can edit if you want to change this picture, this all, and text. I can show you now how can change. You can click here, edit with Elementor, but here with this font size, every thing you have to change. Just moment. You can see, if you want to this text change, then you can click here. Then you can see this here. You can see this here text. Okay, I can. You can see this here text here showing. You can send anything and just update. Then you can send. Okay, I can just one thing. Okay. So if you want to change this picture, then you can click. Then here change choose picture. You can see here your picture. Okay, right. Here too you can click and you can choose your picture, then insert. Otherwise, if you want to upload new, then you can upload and select. You can upload and insert. Same. Every if you want to link this product or title heading, you can see. You go. This is you think this is your product. You can just here click right button and copy link and you can see here. You can this more and you can here paste and update, and you can here click and here click. This two is different same link. Okay, do it, and you can click here. You can click here. Here too you can send anything. Every section you can same way. This is here click. Okay, you can see. When you can click here, you can see this is here. This free shipping is this like this here, this here. You can write something. You can hit. And same way too you can change this page, this image, and just you can update. When you finish changes, then you can update. Okay, I hope you can understood. If you have any question, please ask me when you Facebook group, and I can show you. I hope you can easily upload any product here. Now I can show you. Okay, and listen. This is category. This category, when you can select category, this category is automatic here. When can click main head, then category automatic product here showing. Okay, and this is category product here already showing. You can see this category product here showing. And if you want to about us paste something, you can edit. Then about us, then you can click edit Elementor. You can edit Elementor. You can see here. You can change your about us, and you can change here. You can hear it. You can change it here. Everything you can change. This you can here add this and update. And if you want another thing, যদি if you want to here to something change, then you can go your appearance widget you go widget and I mean যদি if you want to some text here to change, then you go widget, then you can see first this first box, this is you can see here. I can show you here. Okay, you like this image, I will show you your image, and here is same newsletter. If you want to send here product, you can here edit. If you want to in contact information, you can see here. Okay, just every edit done, then save. Edit done and save. Everything, every this part too you can change easy way to anytime. Wait. Okay, just a moment. I can. This we can show change this location, so logo is not now showing, so I can you can see here this text you can change. You can see this your text here. Okay, I hope you can understand. Thank you very much for you. If you have any query, you can